Hey guys, I'm Ricky from Global Surf. Thank you for tuning in. Today we will speak about bottom turns. So the bottom turn is a sequence of the front side turn and the back side turn, but we must project our body to generate speed and to point our arms to the direction that we want to go. Bending over a little bit our back knee, so because we are going to generate speed, we need more balance, so we need to stay a little bit more down. And we project our arms, your body will do a carve through the bottom, so after you can go to the top turn. The front arm guide you, the back arm follows so you can manage your balance properly. In this wave, we can see the surfer making the drop, looking to the wall of the wave and reaching his arms towards the wall, creating pressure back, small snap, so you make sure that he's inside the barrel. As you can see, a bottom turn is a basic setup for most of maneuvers. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and you learned something, please follow us to the next video.